Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy the presentation. Tonight we're going to Belize. This is going to be Belize Chimole. Morning mise en place. Just after prep. The meatball mise en place. And the chicken mise en place. The black Ricardo goodies. Black Ricardo all mixed in water. All the goodies in the bowl for the meatballs. Here it is all combined. And the meatballs ready for the hot box. And now they're in the hot box for about 15 minutes. I'm heating up some oil in the brazier. I add the garlic and saute for just a bit. And then I add the chicken and saute. Then I add all the vegetables. And I add the black Ricardo mixture. And then I add some water. And then this simmers for about 30 minutes. The meatballs are out of the hot box. This is the chicken after simmering for 30 minutes. And then we add the meatballs. And then we simmer for about another 5 minutes. The rice is ready. And this is after the 5-minute simmer. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the presentation. Have fun cooking.